Hi guys, today I'm making banana split cake, and the ingredients we need is bananas, butter, graham crackers, um, and pineapple, and
Cream cheese.
cream cheese.
Okay, what do you do first?
First, we're gonna crack the graham crackers. So with this rolling pin, I'm gonna crack them. Okay, now we're going to pour them in this pan. So with this pan, I'm going to open this bag and I'm pour some in there. That's fine. Okay, now with the butter, I'm going to pour it all in here, which is my mug. And now I'm going to mix it with my spatula. Wait, mix.
Mix it really good. Everything together. Quickly. You can use your hands if you want to. Mix them. Mix everything together with the butter.
Mom, I think I need more. You're going to push it down with your hands. You could do it with your spatula if you want to, but right now I'm going to do it with my hands. Okay, once you're done, I'll be back with the brisket because I'm gonna go wash my hands, okay? Now I'm gonna mix the cream cheese with the mom, but my mom's gonna help me right now, okay? So I'll see you like a little bit later, okay guys? Now my mom is done like helping me. Now I'm gonna mix it by myself. So I'm gonna kind of stir a little bit. We don't want to add too much. So and then when we're done, I'll show you what the next crispy is.
Here you go, Mom.
Okay, now it's under smooth. Okay, now I'm done mixing it. Now my mom and me are gonna help. I'm gonna help my mom pour this into here. Okay, now you're gonna spread it out. It's okay if you spread it out because you could like spread it out. So okay. Fine. Sorry guys. Okay, this is what we're gonna do first. Then afterwards, we're done spreading it. Then we're gonna put bananas on top. Okay, so wait. After you're done putting your banana, now we're gonna put pineapples. My mom helped me just a little bit to make it faster, but I'm gonna do the rest with a spoon. That's a good one. What? Now we're gonna spread the pineapple on top of the bananas. Okay, then after we're done like putting the, like my mom helped me a little bit to like pour like the
Pineapple.
whipped cream and the pineapple. So right now I'm gonna spread the cool whip onto the pineapple. So this is how I'm gonna do it.
Like this. Go on, relax.
Okay.
Okay.
After when we're done with the Cool Whip, I'm gonna pour some cherries. After the cherries done, I'm gonna pour some peanuts.
Pecans.
Pecans and okay. So first we're gonna do. Okay, after you're done pouring the nuts in, then you're gonna put in the freezer for
Fridge.
for the fridge for 4 hours. Okay, I'll see you. Bye.